Hey, Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment.
And Angelo D'Ambrosio.
And today we're here to introduce a special program we have with our preferred vendor partner, Philadelphia Water Ice. Philadelphia Water Ice is a wonderful company, 35 years in business, and they are producer of some of the finest water ice bases in the world, using the finest ingredients as well. We have been partners with Philadelphia Water Ice since their inception, working with them hand in hand to help customers be successful. And what we want to introduce today is a new product line that they have that works so well with our equipment. It's their new premium Italian ice base. This premium Italian ice base comes in a variety of different flavors, and in addition, they also have a neutral base. So what we're going to go through with you today is how to incorporate this new product into our batch freezer. The product is simple, consistent, smooth, so it has all the advantages to help you incorporate it into your business to become a profit center, okay? So this new premium Italian ice base, one of the huge advantages of it is you will not see any high fructose corn syrup in this. It's natural ingredients, sugar, water, some stabilizers that you need in Italian ice base, but it does not have the high fructose corn syrup, which is a huge advantage for you in your store. The other advantage this product has is its simplicity. All that is needed in making this product is the Italian ice base, sugar, and water. That's it. So your production and your scalability is very, very simple. So in our partnership with Philadelphia Water Ice, we have three major machines that we work with to produce the Italian ice. We have our countertop batch machine, which is a very simple way to get into the business, a little bit lower cost than the floor model machines. We have our B12 batch freezer. This machine will produce one 2.5 to 3 gallon tub of Italian ice in about 15 minutes. And then we have a larger version of this, which is our 24 quart batch freezer. That'll produce 2 to 3 tubs in about 15 minutes. It's the same physical size as this machine, just a deeper barrel. So in our demonstration today, we're going to show you how to produce one tub of this ice, and probably will get a little bit more than one tub actually, using the premium Italian ice base.